welcome back to my channel. As you've probably guessed from the thumbnail, I am doing the whole roller coaster that is the NYX Professional Makeup Face Awards again this year. I entered again and I made it through. So today I'm going to be showing you all the goodies that was sent to us in our top 20 box. They've sent us these goodies for us to create our next look with. So I'm very excited to dig into the box this time. Oh, and as you can see, I have dyed my hair pink. I am experimenting and I love it. Here it is in a lovely bow, big old box. So I have actually looked in the box already. I very professionally untied the bow and then put it back. Let me untie it again and show you what is inside. I love this bubble wrap. So therapeutic. Okay. So, guess what? You've made it through to the top 20. We were blown away by your entry look and are so thrilled to have you as part of our UK and Ireland Face Awards top 20. The theme for the next round is Proud Soul. You may have seen this on their Instagram post. So inside this box you'll find a selection of NYX Professional Makeup products to help you create your Proud Soul look. Sponsors of this year's competition, Superdrug, have also popped in a few products for you to enjoy. Yay! So in here we've got a selection of eyeshadow palettes and a highlighter. We've got the Ultimate Edit palette in Phoenix in the small version. We've got the Brights palette here, and we have the Off Tropic eyeshadow palette is one of their new ranges. You can see the colours there, all lovely bright shades. That is a bit of a hint for you that our Proud Soul looks may have a bit of colour in them. We've got the Born to Glow highlighter palette. Love this product too, I have this. And we have a lovely quad of Glitter Goals eyeshadows. This is a cream glitter palette. I've not tried these, so I'm excited to play around with these. We have another little mini box inside the box, which is quite heavy actually. A selection of the Can't Stop Won't Stop foundations. I've tried and tested this foundation. I really enjoy it. I stopped wearing it kind of in the winter months, but it's perfect for summer because it is kind of a matte finish, and I've got a number of colours here so I can mix and match. So we've got a number of items from Superdrug. We've got some eyelash curlers. I don't have any, so I'm very grateful for these. A blending sponge, which looks very similar to a beauty blender. I'm excited to see how this works. Latex free as well. Oh, yes. I did see this. The folding cleaning mat. It's like rubbery inside. Very grateful for this because currently I wash my brushes on the palm of my hand and my hands get dry. So this is perfect, thank you. And finally we've got a brush cleaner. So I guess it's just a spray-on cleaner. This is really useful. I actually do freelance makeup as well, so this is going to be perfect for my kit. So thank you very much, Superdrug. So we've got some skincare by NYX Professional Makeup. We've got the cleansing milk, which I've tried, which is great for removing really greasy kind of paints. And we've got the micellar water. Actually, this is one of my favourite micellar waters, and I ran out ages ago, so I'm so glad to be restocked. So this is great as well, so thank you. The next up is a product that I've not used before. I was excited when I saw it because I thought it was a very interesting kind of product. It's the Pro Foundation Mixer in the shade Olive. So I guess you can add this to lighter foundations to warm it up or change like the tone of a foundation, I'm guessing. Next up we have all the Vivid Bright liners. Very hard to hold them all at the same time. We've got Wild Halo, we've got Vivid Escape, which is the green shade, we've got Vivid Envy, Vivid Sapphire, Vivid everything. Vivid Delight, Vivid Fire and Vivid Petal. All of them, lovely colours. We've got our staple eyeliners. We've got the Epic Ink Liner, one of my favourite eyeliners ever. And we have the white liner and the black liner. I'm excited to use the matte eyeliner because I've not used this one before. I've got the normal vinyl liner, but not the matte one, so I'm excited to use that. And of course, we've got the white Blanc liquid liner, which really comes in handy. And I used mine up completely last year again, so great to have a restock of this. We've got the Cream Highlight and Contour Palette, another staple NYX Professional Makeup product. This is actually going to be great for creating shading and highlighting for objects or shapes that you're kind of creating on the face. They're a really good range of realistic shading colours, if that makes sense, and also the highlighting colours as well. So great little product there. We've got the Pore Filler Primer Base, which I can vouch for this, it does work. I have not tried this product. I'm actually very excited to use this. The NYX Control Freak is the eyebrow gel. Is it clear? Is it clear? It's a clear brow gel. I've heard really good reviews about this and I've never tried it, so I am excited to try this. So thank you very much. We have got a collection of brushes. So we've got a fan brush, you can see see like a powder brush slash maybe foundation brush. All their main brushes here that you would need, all their kind of blending brushes for eyeshadow. This is one of my favourite brushes, I will show you. It's just a straight brush. It's quite stiff as well. It's great for under your lower lash line, and it's also great for creating a smoked out wing. Really, really, really good brush. And we have the lip brushes, which are actually my favourite lip brushes. So again, a really good selection of brushes. I really recommend them. We've got some cute eyelashes. I say cute, these are crazy. I had a pair of these last time which I customised and they were amazing, and I still use them now. We've got another really nice kind of wispy pair called Vixen. And we've got individuals as well, so you can kind of customise any lash with these. We've got a great selection of all their cream paints. I use these in pretty much every look that I did last year, so these are essential really. So I'm so happy to have a full restock of these, especially the blue, because I have used quite a lot of that blue. So thank you very much. These will be very, very, very useful. So this next product I've not actually seen before. They are the Glitter Goals liquid lipsticks. Oh, amazing. I don't think I've ever seen a liquid lipstick glitter formula before, so I'm actually really excited to play with them. Oh, I'm so excited to have a full big version of this lip oil. So this is the This Is Everything lip oil. I had the NYX Professional Makeup advent calendar for Christmas last year, and it had a couple of small sizes of this, and I love it. It's a really hydrating, non-sticky formula, so I'm really excited to have a full size bottle of this. We've got a Hydra Touch primer. Again, I love all their primers. This one's it's infused with chamomile, green tea and ginseng root extract to create the perfect canvas and give your skin a radiant boost. I need radiance because my skin is quite dry and a bit dehydrated, so this is going to be perfect. We have got the matte finish spray. Again, I have this and it's great, so great to have another one of them. We've got a selection of the matte suede lippies. These are actually my favourite lipsticks. I love the formula of them, and we've got some really interesting shades to play around with, especially this one and this one here. But yeah, great lipsticks, really recommend them. Oh, and one more, sorry, a very bright pink one called Electroshock. We've got a white eyeshadow base, which is a new product, I think. I don't think I've tried this. It's great having a product like this, not only just for your eyeshadow, but to create highlights in your look, or maybe brighten a colour, maybe brighten one of the cream paints. So a product like this is really, really versatile. We have got the loose setting powder, which I have clean run out of, so very grateful to have this back in my kit. We've got a couple of the jumbo pencils. We've got one in Milk, which is the white shade, and one in Black Bean, which is black. Again, great for shading and highlighting. These are going to come in really useful. They're really nice and creamy as well. Really good to work with. So great products there. We've got a selection of the micro brow pencils. I use these on clients all the time, especially that taupe colour. It's such a versatile colour for anyone with blonde to medium brown hair. It's such a great shade of that taupe. So highly recommend these too. We have a lip primer here. I wonder if it actually has a colour. It says nude, but I wonder if it's transparent or does it actually have a nude shade. We'll try it and let you know. Okay, so the last few products we have in here, we have the Worth the Hype mascara, just a really good mascara that does everything that you kind of need it to do. We have the blending sponge, which they brought out with the Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation. We have a couple of eye primers, which I don't know what the difference is. Oh no, sorry, this is a pigment primer, an eyeshadow primer I guess. And we have a glitter primer, which is a staple product, is one of the best glitter primers out there. And so last but not least, we have a selection of their kind of glitters and foils and shimmers. That one's a gorgeous shade, which you're not going to be able to see properly. There we go. Kind of the colour of my hair actually. We've got a foil play pigment. It's a cream pigment. I'm going to be interested to see how that comes out, whether it's like a glitter or whether it is more creamy. So yeah, that is all of them. And a pigment here as well. So I guess they've all got slightly different formulas. My timer's just gone off for the jacket potatoes that are in the oven. Thanks very much, phone, for giving me the reminder. So many of the glitters and pigments and foils. It's very excited to play with all of these. There are some really stunning shades here. So that was everything in the box. I am so excited to go and play with all these products now, especially some of those foils. They were like really gorgeous shades. Thank you so much again to NYX Professional Makeup for sending out these goodies. So generous as usual. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you next time.